The next option we have is design. When we click on design, we see the different recommendations or suggested options from the SparkPost web page. This is similar to when you start off before clicking starting from scratch, you see the different suggestions for you. If you click on something, it will change the font of your post. Okay, let's go ahead and cancel just so that we can go back to where we were. Under layout, the first option that we have is the border. If you keep an eye on this picture, when we drag the border, you'll see that you'll start getting a border around your image. You want to have one or not. Okay, we can always cancel or click done if we are ready. This option right here under banner is a banner similar to the shapes that we have under the text option. You can add one or not. Adding a grid gives you the different pictures or different solid colors on there. When we click on the grid again, it'll switch. Notice how the solid color goes from one side to the other. Maybe a horizontal design that we would like. Or maybe we would just like to add different pictures, different colors. Okay. So let's look at the various ones that we have here. Now, when we are ready with our design, let's look at how the picture changes from here. If we click through it, it goes to another position and another position, and then back to where we started. By us moving the spacing, it will add spacing between the different layout features on there. Notice how it changes there. So we like it like that. Let's go ahead and click on done now. And that's the layout that we've chosen. Now we don't want these empty spaces here, just solid colors. We can simply click and replace by adding another photo. So we go, if we have photo from our computer, we can add it here or find free photos. Let's look for technology. And we want this one. Now we have the picture here. We can enlarge it if we want to. We can move it around. And remember, if we use the adjust button, we can zoom in. Let's apply a filter onto that using the photo. Background option. Magnolia. And let's click through it to see if there's something we like. There you go, we leave it there. If we want another solid color, we click on that. And we go back to it. Say we want to replace that, replace it with this picture. And now you replaced it, you've added another picture. Let's say we want to have a word or a piece of text here. Add text. And we add computers. Done. Drag it over, grab it by the corners and resize it. And remember, we can use this for our suggestions. Done. Under the palette option in the formatting menus, we simply get the color schemes. So we can scroll through the various schemes that we have here. If there's something we like, we click on it. And let's say that one, for example. Notice the different color schemes here, and we can re-click and get a different combination, another combination, another combination. And all the colors that you see here are from this particular section. Let's go up here and go through this one. And we can always add a new color by clicking on this. Save. There you go. Once you're done and you're happy with the color scheme that you have here from your palette, you can click on done. And you've selected your colors. So the last of the formatting menu options that we have here is the background. As I mentioned earlier, the background just simply adds a filter to the photo that you select. So by clicking on it, you can see where the coloration changes. Now this color scheme matches the previously selected colors, so we might leave it there if we want to. We click on the other option on the other photograph, and then we add a different filter